What's up, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in, another video for the MK5 R32. So yes, TCR bar that sits there, and I do have my K-Macs in there, as you can see, sitting beautifully. So it's right there. There's the logo, and there's the Ohlins, and they seem to be tried and true. Unfortunately, I don't know where I put my original bolt for that. Even though I bought all the suspension bolts, I have to go purchase another one. And I also ran into another hiccup where I broke one of the actual wires, which is funny because I already had replaced this before since I'm the third buyer of this car, and whoever had it never really, honored or had Pop-Tarts working on the damn car. So, it is what it is. I got the part number. I'll repin it and do it all better and solve that issue. And, I still haven't done the control arms, but I did do the Super Pro ball joint. So as you can see there, it's currently on standby till I hear something from this body shop about the dilemma of solving the dent that's here and another dent that's there and another dent that's on the other side and that freaking shoe mark there and then some, per the video that I will probably post either before or after, or if I don't hear jack scrap from them. So we'll see what's up, guys. Like I said, it's always good to let them know, what's going on with the consumer and protect you and make you more well-informed and empowered, so that way you don't get the short end of the stick. Like I said, I've been on standby. Can't really do much and go and take care of this car because as you can see, dirt, debris everywhere, and it just vexes me every time I see things like this when they remove my windshield and you have literally chipped the paint off this bad boy right there. Like, that's literally, fix it, make it right. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking the channel, and stay tuned. Talk to you guys then. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share if you like. All right, guys.